It's that time of year again. Time to order a big box of supplies from Advent Source for Investiture. Keep watching and I'll show you what I got. Hi everyone, this is Audrey with Pathfinder Strong, and I'm sure you have all ordered up something from Advent Source. And today I want to show you what I ordered. This is all of our supplies for Investiture. So I'm gonna rip open the box. Let's see what we got. I don't know about you, but it's always fun to open the box and it's like I forgot what I ordered. Okay, so first thing I got is this puzzle. I got this actually as a prize for our kids. I'm not sure for what yet, but a lot of our kids are really into puzzles right now. And so this one I thought was pretty cool, and it might have been on sale if I remember correctly. So anyway, I got this to use as a prize for something. So the next thing I got was the new copies of the Adventure Bible and the Pathfinder Bible. We have some of these in our club, but I haven't seen the new ones yet. And I'm going to also give these out as prizes probably. Last year, you know, I ran our adventure club. So I'm going to do something special with that. And this too. This is the back of the book. And I'm not going to open them and show you the inside because I want them to be sealed whenever I give them out as prizes. But anyway, there they are. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the different honors and stuff. These are all the honors that our kids earned over the year of Pathfindering. So this first one, which I think is kind of cool, is pickleball. So our theme for our club this year was sports. So you're going to see a lot of sports. This is the team building award. Football. Flag football. And this one is basketball. And this one is softball. I got a whole bunch right here. Language study was something that I think it's my Voyager class earned. This one is cycling. And then cultural diversity. This is another one that was earned by the Explorer. Actually, I think it was my companion class that earned that award. This is Christian drama. You know, we put on a big play every year in our club, and so the people who've never been in it, we give them that award. Stars was another award from an Investiture achievement class. Volleyball, this is the award we got. I posted a video on the night we went to play sand volleyball, so that was that one. And then ferns, this came from my Explorer class, I believe. And then geocaching, which was, I only have one patch in here because this is an honor that a kid did all by himself, like not as part of the club. And here we have the fuzzy bear slipper honor, also known as animal tracking, which was done by our companion class. And this is Native American lore. We did that on a campout. Our campout was all themed Native American. And then we have basic rescue and Snow White's golden mirror and hairbrush, otherwise known as Christian grooming and manners. So, you know, when I said fuzzy bear slippers, that's reference to that video I posted about the game you can play with your kids about, you know, naming honors based on what their patch looks like. So go check out that video. I'll link it below if you didn't get to see it. So the last thing we have here, this is all the Investiture achievement patches and pins. So we've got guide, explorer, companion, friend, and then these are the chevrons. So you know, with each Investiture achievement class, they get the name strip, they get the chevron, and then they get the pin that goes with it. Then if they complete the additional optional portions of their class, they get this bar. And I had one kid this year who did that, and he's getting his, it was the guide class, so this is the frontier guide, because he did the optional portions. And then I've got some, see, those are all the class pins. I got some TLT TLT service stars for my year 1 TLTs, my year 2 TLTs, and my year 3 TLTs. And then I had some of my TLTs that taught the Safety Specialist Award for Adventures, so I'm going to go ahead and give them that patch also. Last but not least are these instructor diamonds. So whenever you teach an honor, you get to put this little instructor diamond on your patch. And I always like to recognize my staff and my TLTs or anybody that teaches an honor and let them make sure that they get that diamond on their patch to show that they took that initiative and responsibility. So I've got quite a few here to put on the patches. And if just for kicks and giggles you're interested in how much this pile of stuff cost me, PM me on Facebook and I'll tell you. In the comments below, share with me your Advent Source hauls or anything cool you've ordered from Advent Source lately. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you next time.